Park High School. I'm Marissa.
And I'm Aaliyah.
And these are your morning announcements.
The April showers bring May flowers. The park aeroponic growers are having their third annual greenhouse sale Wednesday, June 1st and Thursday, June 2nd during Wolfpack Hour, 11:30 a.m. to 12:22 in the hallway by the athletic office. There is a large variety of herbs, tomatoes, vegetables, and flowers, all grown from Girton seeds. We are offering a few new garden items that the students have made this year. Plants and items are reasonably priced. Cash is appreciated. This is a good time to stock up and get your garden started.
Reminder to seniors, your last day of school is June 1st. We will have iPad return, cap and gown distribution from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on June 2nd. Your senior picnic is in the stadium from 11:30 to 1 p.m. on June 2nd. And commencement rehearsal begins at 9:30 a.m. on Friday, June 3rd in the Activity Center. Please enter through the Activity Center doors. And now for sports.
Hi, I'm Hannah. Today we have softball section tournament at Richfield at 3. Be there.
And for lunches today, we have chicken tender wrap, spaghetti with meatballs, antipasta salad with or without meat, and manager's choice salad or sandwich. Those were your morning announcements, Park High School.
Have a fantastic final Friday, seniors.